Mm-hmm. Oh, and before... What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another one of these videos with your boy, Easy E of Easy E's Rebuilds. It's another day, another dollar. And we still got this little Cuzzo's Grand Prix in the garage. Because some people just don't understand that my YouTube channel is Easy E's Rebuilds, not Easy E's Garage. And I don't make no money helping other people out, working on their cars. But yet, he seemed to leave me high and dry. I asked him to order some lug nuts, 13 belt oil, and he didn't even do it. I'm going to do it. Then I like to get that stuff done today. It's Saturday morning. It's like 12:50 in the morning. Because I do work nights. He should be sleeping right now. But he sent me a text message saying he ordered the lug nuts yesterday. Because I'm like, man, talked to him before I left work. Because like I said, I am on nights. He's on days. And he's like, I'm just going to go to the dealership and get everything. I'm like, dude, you got to get your car. Like, I will chop this motherfucker up if you don't get this car out of my garage. Got to get this stuff done and this car out of my garage. He threw all the lug nuts away. Need lug nuts. Need to get these tires mounted and balanced. That's why I don't like helping people a lot. Look, I'm going to turn little Cuzzo off. Like, if you can't do what I say do, then don't bring no cars over here. Because my channel is Easy E's Rebuilds. I rebuild Copart cars. People don't want to see this content, me helping other people out all the time. I got to get back on my burn traverse. But before that, got to help somebody else out. Somebody wants to buy the motor out of my Monte Carlo, the parts one, the white one that never made the channel that I took the sunroof out of. Somebody wants to buy the motor. I said they can buy the motor for $300. So I got to get that car over here and get that motor pulled out. Then chop that car up. Guess I'm going to start chopping these cars up. The ones I don't need. Well, scrap prices are still high. Whew. But first, before I start on the other parts traverse, or maybe get that. Well, it'll make no difference because if I get the white Monte Carlo here, get the engine and stuff put off, and chop it up, then I can start on the burn traverse because the parts traverse, I need to get the engine out of that one and get that one chopped up. Then I can bring another car and get the engine out of that one. Got a lot of cars I need to take engines out of. Got to buy more engine carts. But that's enough of the talking. Let's get to working. So y'all do know, got to change the battery terminals. He said this one is shot. This one is shot. Got to get the serpentine belt off so I can get to the AC compressor. This is a lot. AC compressor is located down there. I got one bolt on top. I got to get up under and see what's all up under there. Pull this tank out the way. Then got to pull it out the way. Then I was like 2 10s or 2 11s. This right here should be a 13. Move the hot terminal from here. Then for that serpentine belt. Got to get up in there and get it removed. So let this party begin. okay. It didn't take me that long because I don't run around the car 50 times looking for one socket, like little Cuzzo. But like somebody, a viewer said, he got to learn. But it shouldn't take you 8 hours to do brakes on the car, like in the last video. Well, we did more than the brakes though, but you get the gist. I think we was out in the garage for like 8 hours. Him running around in circles. Me trying to record. Hard for me to record somebody that don't know what they're doing. They're just trying to learn. But let them know the glass is full. It's overflowing, baby. You can't learn when your glass is full, baby. But we got all that stuff out of there. The AC compressor is off, as y'all can see. Came over here to verify the right lengths of the wires. So we got the new cables to go in. They right there. Oh, and to get this little surge sensor ring back on there and off of there, you pull out the little cable first out the hole, then you pull out the big cable, of course, then you pull out the plug. So one at a time, they got to come out through that little bitty hole just to get them off this. And you do a reverse, we can go on this side. You put it through the, I think I put it through the little cable, then the longer cable, then I put the short cable in there. Because I like, for the pain, how do you get this off? But we got it. I would tie everything back together once it's in the car. Because I don't think I can do this properly and make sure all the wires still reach their proper locations with putting the little shielding over it and taping it all back up like it was from factory until it's on the car. That way I can get my tape and everything back in the right spot. Like this piece too. So once it's on the car, I get it all taped back up where it went. But ain't nothing to it but to do it. So new battery cables and new AC compressor. Got all that. Whew. Make sure the AC compressors match up. Look like they do. Yep, got the big old plug in the back. That big old mount, then a little short plug in right there. Everything looks good. Like, this is a picture. It's time for a thumbnail, baby. So let me get this all buttoned up so I can edit this video. It's going on 2 o'clock in the morning when I started. I forgot what time it was, but y'all let me know in the comment section below. I think it was like 12:30. I ain't doing too bad with having to remove all this stuff and get all this stuff put back on. He gonna have to, I got some oil for this too, but he gonna have to recharge his system. Premium synthetic compressor oil. So if it don't got nothing in there, he'll be getting some in there now. So let me get back to work and change these GoPro batteries.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it up before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all.
Oh, and before y'all say something in the comment section below, I did change the rings before I put the AC compressor back on. Did change the little ring gaskets. I don't call them O-ring gaskets because they like a ring gasket especially made for these cars. And I have them right there. Not your typical O-ring gasket, so I just call it ring gasket. So we did get that changed before when I changed the compressor. The tools you will need for the people that are like, oh, you didn't tell me what tools I would need. I used a 18 millimeter, a 15 millimeter, a 10 millimeter for that ground over there, and I do believe a 13 millimeter, and a ratchet, or an electric ratchet. That's all the tools I needed. I think the 2 18s was for one of the bolts in the front of the AC compressor, the bolt in the back of the AC compressor. Then I think the front bolt was a 15 for the AC compressor. And same, probably a 12. I think the 13 is for the for the starter to get off the hot wire. I think it was a 13 or a 15 in the back to get off the ground wire. So there you go. Those are tools I used. Probably flathead screwdriver. Use that too. Trim piece. But ain't nothing to it but to do it. Get it done faster when little Cuzzo ain't here. Because he just run around in circles like I said before. Taking every tool. He always in the toolbox. Taking every tool out that he don't even need because he keeps sending them everywhere. And y'all see me right there. I think he running back and forth to the toolbox. So gotta get these tightened down. But that's it. Battery cable terminals changed, which wasn't that hard. Just hard on my arm, squeezing up in those little spots. So sometimes you do need a little Cuzzo. He come over here with his little baby hands and get in those spots that my big arms can't get into. I got to clean up. It is going on 3 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, I started at 12:30. So it took me 2.5 hours by myself to change the AC compressor. Serpentine belt don't need to be replaced because it was brand new. I think he replaced it 2 years ago before he stopped driving the car because it kept on belts. So yeah, that was brand new. Then I had to change that. But I'm going to head on out of here because I'm done. Go take me a nap because little cuz are going to be over here in the morning to I got this done. So I don't have to worry about him tomorrow. Tomorrow we can just come on. Today, I said tomorrow. Later on today in the morning, give me a nap in. He can come over here. We can grab those tires, grab the tires at the back, get them mounted and balanced, throw them on the car. He can throw his lug nuts on that he finally ordered. Hopefully he got them. If not, I should have some in here while I make him go to Advanced Auto. And he can put his tires on and drive on out of here. And I can get to working on another car. Did all I can do. He still got the ABS lights on. I think his ABS module is out. And his ABS module is different, I think, than the Mighty car, though. ABS module. But we'll see when you get over here. Because you're talking about taking the module off my parts car and put it on here. But I do got another module in the shed. But let me stop talking and say my kudos. So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Instagram, X, and Facebook. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!